how to schedule a pickup order on Chipotle app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want your Chipotle ready exactly when you need it, well, in this video I'll show you how to schedule a pickup order using the Chipotle app. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Chipotle app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, next build your meal just the way that you like it. So here you can add burrito, bowl, tacos or salad and add it to your bag. And here when you're done customizing, you can just tap on the bag icon in the corner to view your cart. And here is the key step. So here under the pickup section, you just have to tap on the current time show and you will now see the available time slots for pickup. So here you can simply choose the one that works best for you even hours ahead and make sure that the store location is correct and you can tap it to change if needed. And after that you just need to add your payment method and review your order one last time, and after that you can just tap place order, and that's it. Now your Chipotle will be hot, fresh, and ready exactly when you want it. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.